Hi there, Barry McFarland here, creating my first video blog. I've decided to do video blogs to share insights, personal information, maybe some positive affirmations, etc. So they'll be short and sweet. So here's today. Today's video blog is about my experience with implementing the whole intention, attention, no tension formula and how I use it in my life. So my recent example is with my workshops that I've created. I've created 5 1.5-hour workshops. I'm holding them here in Barrie and in Orillia. And so the attendance for the workshop hasn't been very good. So not a lot of take up. The one in Barrie, I had 2 people sign up for the full 5 workshops. And the most recent workshop I held, the workshop number 3, I had 3 people at it. So again, not what I expected. The Orillia workshops start next week and I only have 1 person right now signed up. So you could imagine, like anybody else, I've created something, I put my heart into it, I'm really excited about it, and don't get the attendance that I'm looking for. So I implemented the intention, attention, no tension. So I said to myself, what is my intention for these workshops? Why, your mind starts to focus on the money, starts to focus on, okay, only 3 people, is it a value, etc. And I said, what is my intention with these workshops? And my intention is to help people discover their passion. My intention is to give people the tools that they can use to be more effective in their life. So I said to myself, okay, do I believe that that's going to happen? I said, yes, I believe that's going to happen. Am I putting my attention to that? Yes, I'm putting my attention to it. I'm putting posters up. I'm going to networkings. I'm talking to people about it. I'm doing everything I can to get the word out, so people and sharing what I have, sharing what I know. So I believe that it's going to happen. So I said, okay, no tension, the no tension part, let it go. Don't worry, it'll happen. And then second to that is be open to how it's going to happen. Maybe it's not going to happen. Maybe these workshops and me booking a room and trying to convince people to come to a $25 workshop isn't the way that it's going to happen. Maybe it's a passion test party, or it's going into business and helping, businesses engage their employees and be more effective in their jobs. Maybe it's that way. So the stress releases, and I'm going forward with these workshops and really enjoying it, and the people who are there are really getting a lot out of it. So it helps. Intention, attention, no tension. Let's hear your stories too, if you're employing this simple passion test formula. Have a great day. Ciao.